How to measure Google Map distance. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out the distance between one place to another. First of all, open Google Maps. Now here on the search bar, search for the location that you want to find out for. So tap on one. Now as you can see, the location has been opened. Now in order to find the distance, here you'll be able to see the option called directions. Tap on directions. So now you can find a specific point from which you want to know the distance. So for example, I'm just tapping on home. Here it will show you the distance now. So as you can see, this is the distance between one point to another. Here you can see the distance between walking and even vehicles. So there are even kilometers mentioned here. So this is how you find distance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.